What's up, guys, and welcome back. I'm Duct Tape FPV. Once again, I'm here with my good friend Just Hack It. And today we're going to present you guys with another awesome product, and we really hope you enjoy the content. And today the product we have to show you guys is the Velox F7 SE Stack. It comes with the 50 amp ESC. I think you're going to like this one. And when you open the package, this is everything that's going to be inside. Your gummies, your XT60, your wires, your flight controller, and your ESC. Okay, let's talk about the features of the T-Motor SE F7. This is a 30 by 30 mounting pattern. It has 6 UARTs, tons of options. If you need to hook up your GPS, your receiver, your VTX, you have all the room in the world that you need. You will notice that there is up to 8 motor outputs, which means you can run this on a center lifter. It would require 2 electronic speed controllers or 2 ESCs. If you notice this chip right here, this is a wonderful addition to this flight controller. That is for the SpeedyBee app. So you can connect to this flight controller via Bluetooth app and make any changes. It's running in the ICM 42688P gyro. You'll notice this has 2 BECs, which are step-down regulators. One will be for 5 volt, one will be for 10 volts. So the 5 volt would generally be your GPS and receiver, and the 10 volts is going to be your VTX. You'll notice that you don't have to use the pads to solder, you can use the plugs. They do give you the option, and they do give you a ton of plugs in the package, so set it up any way you like. Another wonderful feature of this flight controller is it has a 128 megabyte black box. Generally, they only have about 16, which fills up really quick. If you've ever used it, you know. This is the Velox 50 amp ESC. It has a constant current of 50 amps and a burst current of 60 amp, generally around for 10 seconds. And the MCU it uses is the AT32 F421. So it is an F4 processor, it is 32-bit, which means you can run your bidirectional D-Shot, or what they call BL Heli 32.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.